y'all. We're rounding out Spurquest with episode 5. Old dad's up to bat. I've done my homework. I've scouted these turkeys. They're usually on a nice little ridge top. Well, Jesse and I showed up to hunt this one day, and much to our surprise, they were nowhere to be found. They were actually bumped over on the neighbors 300-400 yards. So I rolled into third season. I had 2 tags. I located the north group of birds. I slipped in way early, got underneath their feet. The rest is history.
The 10 gauge has spoken, honestly, more than I wanted to. I think I body shot him hard and knocked him down real hard. And these birds have been freaking gobbling since 5 o'clock this morning. 45 minutes before it even starts to get daylight. Hunted hard yesterday and just couldn't get on a bird where I can hunt. And I found these ones last night. I knew they were here, but I didn't hear them 2 nights ago. I don't know why. I snuck in here early, real early. I was 200 yards from them and they started gobbling at 5 o'clock. I sat down by 5:15. I'll pull him over here real quick so you guys can see him. He's doesn't have the best fan in the world. Can't get his tail feathers apart, which is unfortunate, but he's a beautiful bird. I finally got one knocked down, and he's got good, probably 1.125 inch spurs, and the best part is he's a big double beard. Great big double beard. Probably a 10.5 inch paintbrush on him, and then probably a 7 inch double beard. It's my second multi-beard bird ever, and I'm freaking jacked.
So the season's winding down. Jeff and I both have tags. So we set up on a group of toms. In the morning, they kind of pitched off the opposite direction. So Jeff and I went and located 2 more birds, called them up to a fence row, and we knew as soon as they popped through the fence that we were both going to get a shot. The second one's right there. I see him. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. He's gonna come right to him, Jeff. Just wait.
You want to get it? Yep.
Doubled up. Yeah.
Wow, Mike.
Woo! Oh, Jeff, that was awesome. That was a lot of fun. Oh, man. Awesome. Oh, that was fun. Oh, man. I was excited. All right. Man, that was fun. Me and Jeffy thought we were going to dump both of these guys right as they came over the fence, and we practically did, but he was going to shoot at the first one, and the second one I was going to shoot at. Well, right when the second one had come through, I was like, I'm going to shoot him, but then Jeff lost him. So I shot this one, dropped him, and then we kept calling, Garrett and I did, continuously, and he came right around, and we knew what he was going to do. We knew he was going to come try to flog this other turkey and see what was up, and he piled him too. So we got 2 birds right there, baby. Woo! Pretty sweet. Sharpening the OE.
A beautiful boo
Booby.
for a beautiful man.
Beautiful. Island.
Let's try a different way. Please enter the first 3 letters of the count. Please enter the number of bobcats you have seen while hunting. Your confirmation number is DC05E M299. You are required to record this number on the leg tag. It serves as proof that you have...
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our show, and if you're currently watching this on Carbon TV, feel free to go up to the upper left-hand corner of the screen and up our carbon score. That would really help us out a lot. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, bottom right, it's the big red one. And if you guys have never followed us on social media before, that's where all of our great photo and short clips are. So definitely check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we're constantly updating those sites daily. So we really appreciate the support. Thank you.